Hello everyone. We would be discussing today about the packing in solids. Let's see how the solids can be arranged. First one is the linear packing or one dimension packing. As the name suggests, linear basically means in a straight line. So what we do is, and we arrange them in a straight line. Now the question is, what is the coordination number? Coordination number simply means how many spheres are touching each other. So we select a sphere, the one which is colored, and we now observe that there are two spheres which are touching the colored sphere. And therefore I can say that the coordination number would be 2. In this case, we do not consider the spheres which are present at the ends. The next, two-dimension packing. In two-dimension packing, we again take the one-dimension packing or arrangement of the spheres. But the second layer is taken exactly above below the first layer. We also take a third layer, and we have the fourth layer. If you notice in two-dimension packing, all spheres of different rows, they align exactly one below the other and are aligned vertically as well as horizontally. Now we have a question here, that is, what would be the name of this layer? We would be naming it as an A layer. The second layer, because it is similar in arrangement as that of the first layer, we also name it as an A layer. The third and the fourth layer also resemble the first layer, and therefore it would be named as an A layer. Such type of an arrangement of two-dimension packing is also called as the AAAA type arrangement. Now we have one more question which arises, and that is, what is the coordination number? We select a sphere, the one which is colored, and we now try to observe how many spheres are touching the colored sphere. So we now join the centers of the neighboring spheres which are in contact or which are touching the colored sphere. When we join the centers, we see that a square is formed. And I also see that there are 4 spheres which are in touch or which are in contact with this colored sphere. Hence, I can say that the coordination number is 4, and because it resembles a square, it is also called as the square closed packing. The two-dimension packing can also be arranged in one more type of an arrangement. That is, I take the first layer. Now the second layer, instead of placing it exactly below the first layer, I place it in the depressions of the first layer. Again, the third layer, I place it in the depressions of the second layer. And that is how I place the spheres in case of the two-dimension packing. Now let us name the layers. The first layer would be the A layer. Because the second layer has a different arrangement as that of the first layer, it would be named as B. The third layer resembles similar to that of the A layer, and therefore it is called as A, and the fourth layer is called as the B layer. Such type of a two-dimension packing is also called as an AB-AB type arrangement. Now, if you notice that there are gaps or there are voids in between these layers, you can clearly see that the voids are triangular in shape and they resemble a triangle which is straight, at the same time the triangle which is inverted. Now the question is, what would be the coordination number? The coordination number for that, it has similar meaning what we had done during the 1 and the 2 dimension packing. We select a sphere and then we join the centers of the spheres which are in contact with the colored sphere. When I am joining the centers of the neighboring spheres, I see that there are 6 spheres which are in touch or which are in contact with the colored sphere. And on joining the centers, it resembles an hexagon. And therefore, it is also called as an hexagonal close packing, and the coordination number would be 6. Next arrangement, this time we take the AA type of an 2-dimensional layer and we place it one above the other, and this layer what we get is a 3-dimensional arrangement or the AAAA type of an arrangement. Now the question is, what would be the coordination number? Let us check out. We join the centers of the sphere as shown, and upon joining the centers we see that it resembles a cube, and therefore it is evident that this particular structure, it is basically a simple cubic structure, and hence it's also called as a simple cubic structure. Now the coordination number. Let us select a sphere here as the one which is shown. I can clearly see that each sphere is surrounded by 6 spheres. Now 4 in the layer of the sphere, and there would be 1 in the layer which is above the colored sphere, and there would be 1 which is below the colored sphere, and hence the coordination number would be 6. This is the 3-dimensional arrangement